warning lights on the dashboard, along with explanations and what to do if they appear. 1. Engine warning light, check engine. What does it mean? 1. The engine warning light, check engine, indicates a problem with the engine, emissions system, or other critical components. 2. Possible causes include a faulty oxygen sensor, loose gas cap, ignition issues, or more serious engine problems. What to do if you see this light? 1. Check for a loose gas cap. Tighten it and see if the light goes off after driving for a while. 2. Observe the car's performance. If the car runs smoothly, it may not be an urgent issue, but you should get it checked soon. 3. If the light is flashing, it indicates a serious issue. Example, misfire. Stop driving and seek immediate assistance. 4. Visit a mechanic. A professional can scan the car's onboard diagnostics (OBD2) system to find the exact problem. 2. Battery warning light. What does it mean? 1. The battery warning light indicates a problem with the car's charging system. It could be due to a failing alternator, a weak or dead battery, loose or corroded battery terminals, or a damaged serpentine belt. What to do if you see this light? 1. Check for loose or corroded battery connections, tighten or clean them if needed. 2. Turn off non-essential electrical accessories, reduce strain on the battery by turning off lights, radio, and air conditioning. 3. If the car starts and runs normally, drive to a mechanic. The alternator might be failing, and the battery could soon drain. 4. If the car won't start, the battery may be dead, jumpstart the car or call for roadside assistance. 5. If the light stays on while driving, seek immediate help. A failing charging system can cause the engine to shut down. 3. Oil pressure warning light. What does it mean? The oil pressure warning light indicates low oil pressure, which can lead to serious engine damage. Possible causes include low oil levels, a failing oil pump, a clogged oil filter, or a leak in the oil system. What to do if you see this light? 1. Pull over immediately and turn off the engine. Driving with low oil pressure can severely damage the engine. 2. Check the oil level. If it's low, add the recommended type of oil and see if the light goes off. 3. Look for oil leaks under the car. If you notice a leak, do not drive the vehicle until it's repaired. 4. If the light stays on after adding oil, call for roadside assistance. You may have a serious oil pump or internal engine issue. 5. Never ignore this warning. Running an engine with low oil pressure can lead to complete engine failure. 4. Brake system warning light. What does it mean? The brake system warning light indicates an issue with the braking system. Possible causes include low brake fluid, worn-out brake pads, a malfunctioning brake system, or the parking brake being engaged. What to do if you see this light? 1. Check if the parking brake is engaged, release it fully and see if the light turns off. 2. Check the brake fluid level. If it's low, top it up with the recommended type of brake fluid. 3. Listen for unusual noises when braking. Grinding or squealing sounds indicate worn brake pads. 4. If the light stays on, do not drive. There could be a serious brake failure. Call a mechanic or roadside assistance. 5. If the brake pedal feels spongy, stop driving immediately. Call for roadside assistance and get the brakes checked by a professional. 5. Coolant temperature warning light. What does it mean? The coolant temperature warning light indicates that the engine is overheating due to high coolant temperature. Possible causes include low coolant levels, a faulty thermostat, a broken water pump, radiator, or cooling fan issues. What to do if you see this light? 1. Stop driving immediately. 2. Turn off the engine and allow it to cool down. 3. Check the coolant level in the reservoir, only when the engine is cool. 4. Look for leaks under the car. 5. If the coolant level is low, top it up with the correct type of coolant. 6. If the light stays on after refilling or if the engine is still overheating, call for a mechanic. Six. Tire pressure warning light, TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system. What does it mean? The tire pressure warning light, TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, indicates that one or more of your tires has low air pressure. Possible causes include a punctured or leaking tire, natural air loss over time, sudden temperature changes affecting tire pressure. What to do if you see this light? 1. Pull over safely and check your tire pressure using a tire pressure gauge. 2. Inflate the tires to the recommended pressure, found in your car manual or on the driver's door sticker. 3. Check for visible damage like punctures or cracks in the tire. 4. If the light stays on after refilling, visit a mechanic or tire service center to check for slow leaks or sensor issues. 7. ABS warning light. What does it mean? The ABS, anti-lock braking system, warning light indicates a problem with the ABS system, which helps prevent wheel lockup during sudden braking. Possible causes include faulty ABS sensors, low brake fluid, damaged ABS module, worn-out brake components. What to do if you see this light? 1. Check your braking performance. If the brakes feel normal, the ABS system may be disabled, but standard braking still works. 2. Drive cautiously. Without ABS, your car may skid if you brake hard, especially on wet or slippery roads. 3. Check the brake fluid level and top it up if necessary. 4. If the light stays on or is flashing, visit a mechanic to diagnose and repair the issue. 8. Fuel warning light. What does it mean? The fuel warning light indicates that your fuel level is critically low. This means you are running on the reserve fuel and need to refuel soon. Possible reasons include low fuel level, faulty fuel gauge sensor, in rare cases. What to do if you see this light? 1. Refuel as soon as possible. Running on low fuel can cause the engine to misfire or stall. 2. Avoid aggressive driving. Driving at high speeds or rapid acceleration burns fuel faster. 3. If you are far from a gas station, drive efficiently by maintaining a steady speed and avoiding excessive braking. 4. If the light remains on after refueling, there might be a sensor issue that requires a mechanic's inspection. 9. Traction control warning light. What does it mean? The traction control warning light indicates an issue with your vehicle's traction control system, TCS. The system helps prevent wheel slip during acceleration by adjusting power to individual wheels. Possible causes include slippery road conditions, such as rain, snow, ice, malfunctioning wheel speed sensors, a problem with the traction control module. What to do if you see this light? 1. If the light blinks while driving in bad weather, it means the system is actively working to prevent wheel slip. Drive cautiously. 2. If the light stays on constantly, the traction control system may be disabled or faulty. Have it checked by a mechanic. 3. If both the ABS and traction control lights are on, there may be a deeper issue affecting stability and braking. Seek immediate inspection. 4. Avoid aggressive driving on wet or icy roads, as the system may not assist in preventing skidding. (10) Airbag warning light. What does it mean? The airbag warning light signals a potential problem with the airbag system, also known as the supplemental restraint system, SRS. Possible causes include a faulty airbag sensor, a disconnected or damaged airbag module, a problem with the seat belt pretensioner system, a drained or weak battery affecting airbag deployment. What to do if you see this light? 1. Do not ignore it. Your airbags may not deploy in an accident. 2. Check the passenger seat. If the system detects an issue with the occupant sensor, the light may come on. 3. Restart your car. Sometimes, a temporary glitch can trigger the light. If it stays on, seek help. 4. Visit a mechanic. A professional can use a diagnostic scanner to pinpoint the exact issue and ensure your airbag system is working correctly.